Hello, folks. This is Sasha Thackerberry-Vojinovic, president of Newstate University, here to walk you through one of our AI unboxing sessions. AI unboxing is this quick little series of short videos to show you what we're exploring and what we're using in a very organic, unscripted way, 100% unprepared. So here is our website. Obviously, this is newstateu.com, so feel free to check it out. But we have a brand new blog here. So I wanted to share with you some of the things on our blog. And we're going to use Gemini in Chrome, which is different than just plain Gemini. Gemini in Chrome, I should note that we do have the pro version of this because we do use Google as a university, which I'm a fan. And so this is our blog. You'll notice every single one of these images is AI generated, even these really complex infographics. And we're going to try to do one of those live in real time and sort of see what happens. So let's pick a random one. Business value of customer experience. I'm not in love with this image. I also, as a learner, I have a preference to media. I love videos. I love infographics. I love interactives. And so I'm going to use this to create an infographic. So this is our article here. And we actually have an audio version of this already, which I love. Addicted to podcasts. Not just true crime, though, also true crime. And so we're going to click on Gemini up here, which again is the one that's attached to Chrome. It's not brought up in a separate tab, and you do have to install it. So what this does, I'm going to share my current tab. I was playing around with a different one earlier. It was way too much fun. And so this is our article here, but I'm going to ask it to create an infographic right in line. So please use you don't have to say please. I just can't get out of the habit. Please use the information on this page to create an infographic. Keep all of the content the same or correct from the page. You can say correct. It doesn't necessarily mean it does it correctly. Effective AI usage is all about the quality assurance, and so I'm just asking it in line. You'll see these this fun little blue sort of halo around my page. That means that it is using that page as a source. You can, if you see here, you can add other tabs to reference for it, but I want it to just focus on this page. Now, it does take a minute to do this. So I just want you to note that when we're working with stuff like this, or when you want to work with stuff like this, and you're like, that 30 seconds, I could have been productive. You can have things up on your other monitors, working on your other monitors, but leave this here. Otherwise, it could start referencing other tabs. All right, so it is using Nano Banana Pro, and I did have a fail earlier this morning with Nano Banana Pro. Gave it too much detail, but this may look pretty good. Let's take a look at this here. All right, company A versus company B. So we got to go check our facts though here. So primarily on product features and price, heavily in customer experience, right? And we're all about that here at Newstate University too, right? We're all about the people, not just about the product differentiators, though the university does win on that too. Got to say it. I'm here. Got to say it. All right, so let's just check our data here. 5.1 times more likely to recommend. 5.1 times more likely to recommend. 4.5 times more likely to pay a premium. Okay, so far so good on the data. That's great. Let's look at the results. That's that fidelity is pretty high. Can't see the 11% because I got my thing going on here. You can also resize this. You can start new conversations with it. If you go over here, you can just start a new chat. You always do have to, for this to enable it to see your screen, you have to give it permission in your privacy settings to do that. But I'm feeling reasonably good about this. And so I am going to go ahead. I'm going to stop this. When you exit, you get out of it. I don't think that's the technical term, but I always say exit. You're going to right click. You can save that puppy. And we're going to save it as the loyalty premium. All right. So that was your quick hit. AI unboxing. We are using our fun Gemini that is inside Chrome right now. Use it all the time. Love it, love it, love it. There are other ones that do this too. Like one of the other ones that you can just add on is Chrome extensions. Really, in any of the browsers, you'll be able to find something like this. But what was one of the ones? Merlin was shared with me earlier, can do very similar things. All comes back to accuracy. All right, thanks, folks. Go forth and prosper.